Today I will show you how to fade out audio on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing that I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to fade out the audio for. And for the purpose of this tutorial, what we are going to do is we're going to assume that this is the clip that we want to fade out the audio for, and we're going to right click on it and detach audio. This is just for you to see the actual thing that's going to happen on the audio. Now there are three ways to fade out the audio for um, uh, on Final Cut Pro. The first way would be to add a keyframe, or if you click on the end, you see a keyframe already added. No, it's not added. Yeah, you see a keyframe already added, and what you can do is you can drag it, and as much as you drag it, it's gonna create some kind of fade away at the end of the audio. Now, the longer you drag it, the longer the fade out is gonna take. Now, the other way to also do it is to go to your transitions. You're gonna click on the transitions button, and you're gonna come to the transitions and search for cross dissolve. Now, you're gonna drag the cross dissolve transition and put it on the audio file. Now, you're gonna realize at the end of the file, there's gonna be a transition and it's gonna fade out. Now, the last way to do this is to let's undo this. You're gonna come here, you're gonna click on this arrow that says select items with select tool. You're gonna click on the arrow next to it, and you're gonna pick the range. With the range tool, you're gonna pick the range that you want to fade out. And once you pick the range that you want to fade out, this is gonna help you set more of a custom fade out. And you realize, you see, once I start moving the volume button on the range, it goes down. And this works with keyframes also. Now that's how to fade out audio on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.